So in this Instagram tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to delete a direct message on Instagram. So once you have Instagram open up on your device, simply go to your messages. So go to the bottom left and press on the home page, and go to the top right and press on the message icon. For this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and message myself. So I'm going to go where it says Cool Purple Media and press on tap to chat. I'm going to type in the message hello and then press send. Now, if you wanted to delete this message for whatever reason, you can just go out. I want you to hold the message that you want to delete. So I'm going to hold where it says hello. I'm going to go to the bottom to where it says unsend and press on unsend, and then press on unsend one more time if it gives you that option. But if it doesn't, there you go. You have now unsent a message or deleted a direct message here on Instagram. I hope this video helps.